right click in the Magix Vegas Pro, choose properties, and then select compatibility, and checklist. In the run this program, you can run in Windows 7 and run this program as an administrator, also checklist. Click OK, and then you can open your Magix Vegas Pro. Now we need to go options menu bar and hold shift key in your keyboard and click preference with hold shift key, don't forget, and there is will internal tab in here, and you can find enable multi list type and select this option to false. Now we can click apply and OK. And please select options again and choose preference and select video tab. For GPU acceleration, you can choose the best choice. For example, I choose NVIDIA, and if later still not responding, you can off this. I choose NVIDIA because it's better device in my computer. Now you can try.